Recording. Hey Facebook, today in this Developer Circles Community Challenge, I'm participating with an open source library called React Titles. React Titles, or the idea of React Titles, is to help bring your web articles to life by animating your titles. Most components receive size, title, and subtitle. When the component mounts DOM, it starts an animation, and the animation reverses back when the component unmounts. The text props past the title components are auto-sized to fit the specified box size right here. While React provided me with a component-based architecture, which allows me to prove that my titles as self-contained components, which communicates to the outside world through props. And the power of lifecycle callbacks helps eliminate unnecessary renders and prepares for some heavy operations ahead of time, like drawing some piece of SVG on the construction phase. And right now I'll show you how it works. This is the first component, and I got 10 components on React Titles, and this is the first component. The technologies used are React Motion and GSAP. Almost half the components are built using React Motion and the other half using GSAP. So this example, this first component, for example, uses React Motion. So that's it. For example, I can change the text to SVG, to CSS. For example, in this first component, I got the animation has 3 states. The first state, when you open it, for example, this way, when you open it, the box scales up, and when you close it, the box scales down, and in the box rotating as well. But when we change the title to something like, I don't know, React, it doesn't scale, it just rotates, right? As you can see, it's beautiful, right? That's the first component. The second component, for example, this one. We can change the text to anything, like some long title. As I said before, the texts fit the specified box size, and that's it. SVG here, for example. The third title, the fourth, fifth. This component is supposed to have a number here, for example 10. Here I'll say components. It looks beautiful, right? Close it, open it, and there are more components. I think there's no time to show you all the components. Thank you, and I hope you like this little library. And I think that's it.